We would become crazy if anyone were to insult Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, yet we are lacking in our own following of the same Nabi of Allah. Isn't that also a type of an insult? I say he is the messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, but do I really consider him a messenger in reality? Or is it just, okay, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, oh, he's the messenger, he's the messenger. Wallahi, I ask you a question. If he were to meet you now, right here, would you be embarrassed? Or would it be okay? Well, you might think I'm sitting in an Islamic lecture. It would be good. It would be actually very nice, right? When we walk out of here, we go back home tomorrow, when there's a holiday, the weekend and so on, how we carry ourselves. Imagine if the Nabi of Allah had to pass by and just see you from a distance, would you be able to associate and affiliate and say, hey, there's our Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Would you be happy to rush and run towards him? You got to answer that on your own.